Hi, welcome to the GF channel. Last episode I left you with these, which are quite bright. I may need to reduce that. And when you close the door, it will actually fade out. Of course, they were not connected yet, but now they are. And this episode I'm going to show you what do you need to do in order to make this happen for you. Okay, let me show you the models, then the wiring. That's all you need for the modification, plus cables. You always need cables. 3D models are in the description, connectors also in the description, and LED strip, which is 60 LEDs per meter in my case, and it's too much, but I couldn't find less. This draws way too much current and it's too powerful. That's how the end result looks like. You place it into the vent under the two seats. Everything is symmetrical, meaning you can place the connector in that direction or in the opposite direction depending on which seat you're going to fit it under. Same goes for this one. Every placement for the connector is meant to be symmetrical. Now this is, now this you can actually place. You remove the nut that holds the cabin filter, that's for the passenger side, and place it there. Put the nut back in. You can see actually I have already used it, and the connector goes on top. So this is as well drilless. The only thing that is a bit crappy is this will go onto the steering column, and for that you're going to need some bolts and nuts. And the connector, again on the two sides, once you join in, you can see, grab only half, you can see here there is half a groove for the connector. When you join them both, it should fit one connector. Okay, so let me make those things and show you the wiring. Okay, everything is assembled. Left back, left front, right front. It looks good in my opinion. Here we will need some thread lock, just in case. I have left these long, so even if it unscrews, it won't fall off easily. Hopefully enough time for me to see, but this will be actually like that, so it will be very hard. Nonetheless, just a precaution. And this one. Okay, let me go and show you how they mount on the car. Wiring time. Now to wire this you need two wires. You see this fuse here? This is from another episode where I actually fused the output of the speedo so you do not burn out the speedo if you overload the LED bulbs, because you know Chinese bulbs, they burn out and the whole speedo goes out. That purple wire right here, let me turn on the torch. That purple wire right here is what you need to tap into. This provides the ground, and this controls the light output by ground. And then you also need to tap into constant 12 volts. So the constant 12 volts for the dome lights is this wire right here. That's the wire that goes directly to the dome light. So you disconnect from here, and you also disconnect the dome light. Now I've already tapped into for this one, which is module here for the auto position. This one right here, because it's a fuse. So this is a fused output. It goes through the room fuse. I believe it was a room. And also I have it for this phone right here. The power goes from there. All of them have videos for that. You can click the thing at the top to watch it. Okay, so once you get this one, what I did is I route the cable to the column, steering column. You can actually probably see somewhere here the connector. Yes, this blue connector, it's already there. And I pull cable from here to down to there. Then everything goes behind and it goes like that. You see there the other one, the other cable that needs to have a lamp into it. Then everything goes like that. You can see the cables here. I use the same coloring because I have it. Goes like that, like that, like that, like that, and with all the wiring here, which is for the seat belt indicator, which I have another video for that one as well. So it goes like that and goes here beneath the seat, same on the other side beneath the seat. And that's all the wiring you need. 2 wires and a few hours of actually wiring. It's not that simple. Okay, and let me place the things on and show you the final result. That's how the driver's side look like. This is very, very, very stable. And if I move the steering wheel up and down, you can actually see there are no wires pulling. So this is good. Let me move to the other lamps. And this is how it looks like on the passenger side. This is the bolt that you usually, that's a nut actually, that you removed to change your filter, cabin filter. Remove the nut, place this, put back in the nut, and this is secured. That's the cable going to there. Let's go to the rear. And this is how it looks like at the back. I've already showed you that at the beginning of the video, but this just slides in. You can adjust the depth of it, but this drops shadow, so the depth is pretty much that much. And this is actually visible only if the seat is the furthest, like currently, which I don't believe anyone drives like that. But if you do, you just push it back. You can always try to flip that one upside down so it shines from beneath, and that way it won't ever be visible and there won't be any shadow. But if this crap actually gets pushed there, then you're going to have issues. For now, I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, let me assemble here everything minus the door, because that's ongoing project. Not yet project, but it might be a project. So I can show you the final result, how everything looks. Okay, that is the final result. Wait, something is missing. That's way better. I like it. I still have to finish here the pin, drill a hole, same on the other side. I have special made for 6x6, but these are when the project finishes. No, definitely not now. When it will finish, I have no idea. This is how it looks like, and in a bit they are going to dim out. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe. I will be posting more videos soon. Bye bye.